Hi traders, CRM is moving down today. I'm shorting 1,000 shares. It's down 1.8%. It's looking great. Market also moving down. So we're combining here a nice move of the market and also a gap down of almost 1%. And CRM with a nice trend down should work. COH looking quite the same. It's down today. Nice continuation. Also in the market, just broke the lows. So I'm shorting COH as well. Google looking great, shorting 200 shares. Now Google stop is very far away, like $2 or so. So 200 shares, that means a stop of $400. That's the risk I'm taking. And here we go. New low in Google. I'm up $120. Now I'm watching the market. That's very interesting. We just had a very interesting spike down in the market. Look at that. Now, what we expect as traders is that the stock will follow the market. The S&P 500 is the most important indice for traders. So when I'm seeing something like that in the S&P 500, it should happen in Google as well. Now, I'm not saying that's a 100% chance that it's going to happen, but usually 60% of all the intraday movement of a stock is based on the S&P 500, and it first starts with the S&P 500. So I'm expecting to see the stock following the S&P, sometimes 30 seconds later, sometimes a few minutes later, but usually you will see some kind of a follow-up. Didn't quite happen in Google so far, so I'm still waiting, and I hope it will. And here we go. New low. Okay. That's the move I was expecting. I'm up $250. Looking for more continuation. That's not enough. Should continue. It was quite a big spike down in the market. Guys, the S&P 500 is the most important indice for traders. It's always moving before the stock. So when I'm trading, I'm always watching the S&P first. Now, when I'm seeing something like that, it helps me a lot to get into Google. Now, usually if I would like to short 100 shares in Google, for example, and I see something like that, I would probably short 200. I'm up $500, and that's moving fine. Finally, I'm seeing this move, the move I was expecting. Here we go. Okay. That's nicer. Go, go, Google. This is nice. Look at the growing volume. Okay. A little late, but I'm up $750. Just looking at the market, guys, that's all that takes. I'm getting ready to buy. I'll buy 150 shares right over here. I'm up $700. Okay, bought. Just realized $526. Unrealized $192. Okay, that was a nice move in Google. Oh, shorting right over here, 600 shares. I think we're going to see some continuation. This is not my first trade, you know. I'm trading with two different platforms. So you're not seeing the second one. The second one I shorted right over here at 46.90. So this is probably my best trade for the day, and I think we're going to have some continuation. So I'm shorting again here. Back to CRM, it's not doing much. I'm up $88. I'm buying. It is moving down, but not as much as I expected. Now COH, I'm down $190. I'm putting a stop order. I was in a small profit earlier, but I didn't quite catch it at the right time. I'm putting a stop at 58.26. So right over here, if it moves up, don't really want to follow it all the time. So I have a stop in the system, what we call a hard stop. Okay, just moved lower. I'm up $220. I'm buying. And that's it for me for the day. So mainly, most of my money was made today on Google, some on O, The rest didn't quite work out. I'm up $919. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you next time. Guys, a lot of you have asked me recently about my broker. I'm trading with Colmex Pro. Colmex is a regulated EU broker, which means it cannot provide services for US customers. But if you're trading equities and Forex outside the US, then Colmex Pro is the biggest broker outside the US, and trading with Colmex has a lot of advantages, like the deposit is no more than, well, the minimum deposit is $3,000. You can get up to 1 to 20 margin, and the commission is starting as low as 1 cent per share. So if you're outside the US and you're interested in trading equities or Forex, I would be very happy to help you open an account with Colmex. Just email me, and I'll be very happy to help. That's it for today. Thank you very much, and see you next week.